Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the posterior tibial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The posterior tibial vein is located on the lateral side of the lower leg. If we look more closely at the veins on the posterior view of the lower right leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood from the junction of two veins, the medial plantar vein and the lateral plantar vein. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs proximally along the remainder of the plantar surface of the foot. From here it runs up the posterior surface of the lower leg. Before reaching the knee, this vein unites with the anterior tibial vein, which can be seen here highlighted in yellow. This union forms the popliteal vein, which can be seen here highlighted in blue. This vein also receives blood from the fibular vein, seen here highlighted in green. What is the function of this vein? This vein functions in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the plantar surface of the foot and posterior region of the leg up towards the knee. From this vein, blood runs through the popliteal vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the posterior tibial vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.